I am the cream of the corn, the cream in the spinach, the man of dastardly deeds, the prince of pride, dark man of dastardly deeds, I'll imagine, have to do with these things. Well, Monster Man, will be worth it? With some of these things? Have to do with these things? That's the funny thing about these videos. We spend all the time in these costumes. Doors also makeup. It never worked out. It never worked out. Stop! Stop! Ted? Prince of Pride. There. Pride? Something smells. I know, maybe this could be a little bit of Stewart. Should I worry about that Tetris guy? Should I worry? Computer, send a challenge email. It'll be worth it. He'll suffer for his dark deeds. Anyway, we have a lot to do right now. Let's go. Okay, computer, let's see what we're going through. Uh-oh. This doesn't look good. This looks terrible. Calls himself the Prince of Pride. Pretty terrible. Really evil. I should have known by this. Not only did I deal with the Prince of Pride, he owes me a dime for this email. I will defeat you, Prince of Pride. You won't believe this. So it says in the Bible, we will reap what we sow. So, you thought you could defeat me? Did I think I'll let you win? Ha 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 ha! I'm the Prince of Pride. You can't defeat me. I will defeat you, Prince of Pride. You believe this. So it says in the Bible, evil never wins. The righteousness shall have their just reward. Your tender goodness burns me! Your tender goodness burns me! It's typical about pride. Pride and anger and misuse. Pride and prejudice, it goes together. They're like clam juice and celery. Like finding a bed eating your salad. Like say you share a Donnie Marie. Yeah. Like liver and onions. And like the 10th episode of the Brady Bunch. Like too much Willy Wonka. Like watching The Sound of Music for the 500th time in a row. Like pickles and onions.